Grade 6 Jasper. International news. Canada is set to limit the entry of international students to tackle the housing crisis. Viveka Ramaswamy exited the US presidential race and backed Donald Trump after his Iowa win. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. Today's national news is brought to you by Diksha of Grade 6 Jasper. National news. Dense fog and intense cold wave resulted in cancellation of 53 flights and 120 delayed flights at the Delhi airport. Arun Yogiraj Shamal vision of 5-year-old Ram Lalla was selected as idol to be placed in Sanctum Sanctorum of Rama Temple. Thank you. Today's state news is brought to you by Brinda of Grade 6 Jasper. State news. Telangana Social Entrepreneurship Summit Impulse 2024 to be organized on January 27. Telangana Common Entrance Test schedule likely to be announced this week. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. My name is Adhika of Grade 6 Jasper. Brought you sport news. R. Pragananda surpassed Vishwanathan Anand to become India's #1 chess player and beat world champion Ding Liren of China in Tata Steel 2024. Thank you. Everyone, today's weather report is brought to you by Sanvi of Grade 6 Jasper. Weather report. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. Thank you. Happy morning to everyone. Today's photo of the day is brought to you by Jansi of Grade 6 Jasper. Today's thought. Your attitude determines your direction. Stay positive. Meaning, your attitude greatly influences your life course. A positive outlook not only brightens your day, but also attracts positive outcomes. Thank you. Everyone, today's word of the day is brought to you by Harshni of Grade 6 Jasper. Today's word, aspiration. It spells as ASPIRATION. Aspiration. It is a noun which means something that you hope to achieve. I repeat it again. Aspiration means something that you hope to achieve. Friends, please spell out for me. Aspiration. Aspiration. It spells as AS